Okay, so the next step, inserting that header image. My header image is 800 by 161. So if I wanted to check out this div tag, I can click on my CSS designer and maybe expand this a little bit so it becomes 2 panels. That's kind of helpful. And if I click on the header div tag, if you have show set clicked, it's not going to show you everything, and you kind of need to see everything. So make sure show set is unclicked. And we have 800 by 150. I was close, but it should be 161. So I'm just going to type 161 in there, and it's going to increase the height of that header a little tiny bit, which is exactly what I want. I can highlight this text and delete it. That's not a problem. And then insert image and locate my images folder. It should be named a little more properly than header02.gif. Just header would be fine. Or again, name it something that's practical and realistic towards your website and your content. I'm going to hit open, and it's going to tell me it wants to make a path, and that's totally okay. And there is my image. Now I notice that the image is quite a bit pixelated, and that means that it's probably not the resolution I wanted it when I designed it, and that would need to be worked on a little bit. So make sure you don't put pixelated images in here. Next step, in your properties palette, under page properties, you can click on page properties and format components of this all at once. So I can go into my appearance and I can do a background color and give myself maybe a nice medium tone gray. Text color I don't want to format because that'll do the entire document, and fonts I don't want to format, that'll do the entire site. Links we might revisit in a little bit. You can format your A active, A link, A visited, and A hover in here, or you can type them in manually. I'm going to hit OK, and now I have a really nice gray background, but that made all my div tags transparent, and you can tell they're not white anymore. So each of these div tags I want to edit. So the navigation div tag, I want to go to background, and background color, I want to make sure that I click white or whatever color I want to have for this thing, and then same for the rest of them. Just click on the content here and then click the color you want, and then footer's down here at the bottom. Then click on footer. Oop, and now it looks nice again. So that's a really good step. So we want to do the navigation text, the body text, the footer text, and then create a template page. So we'll do those next.